Before we begin today's episode, I want you to imagine something very real. Imagine it is 10 years from now. You are sitting somewhere quiet, maybe in your living room, maybe outside in the sun, maybe in a cafe with a warm cup of coffee in your hands, and you are thinking about the last 10 years of your life.
What do you see when you look back?
Do you see growth, progress, memories that make you smile, skills you developed, relationships that became stronger?
Or do you see days that all looked the same, weeks that disappeared without meaning, years that passed while you were busy but not truly living?
That question is the heart of today's conversation.
Welcome back to SimpleSpeak English, your English podcast for daily life English, real conversations, and easy listening practice.
This is the place where you improve your English naturally through meaningful conversations about real life.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Lily.
Today, we're talking about something simple but powerful.
Don't waste your time.
Because whether we notice it or not, time is moving.
It doesn't stop when you feel confused. It doesn't slow down when you're unsure. It doesn't wait for you to feel ready.
It just keeps going.
Mark, let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever felt like you wasted a period of your life?
Yes, absolutely. There were times when I was very busy, but not really moving forward. I was active, but not intentional.
What does not intentional mean to you?
It means I was reacting to life instead of designing it. I was answering messages, going to work, doing tasks, but I wasn't asking myself if those things actually mattered to me.
That's important. Many people think wasting time means doing nothing.
But that's not true.
You can be extremely busy and still waste your life.
You can answer emails all day, attend meetings, scroll social media, watch videos, run errands, and at the end of the day feel exhausted but empty.
So what does it really mean to waste time?
I think wasting time means spending your hours on things that don't align with your values, your growth, or your relationships.
Living on autopilot.
Yes, moving without direction.
Let's explore why people waste time. I think there are several deep reasons.
Let's start with fear.
Fear keeps people stuck. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of making the wrong decision.
It feels safer to stay where you are.
But safe does not always mean fulfilling.
Sometimes we delay starting something because we're afraid we won't be good at it.
But every skill begins with being bad at it.
That's true. No one starts fluent in English. No one starts strong in the gym. No one starts confident in public speaking.
Fear wastes time because it delays action.
And action creates growth.
Another big reason people waste time is distraction.
We live in a world designed to distract us.
Every app wants your attention. Every notification pulls your focus.
And it feels harmless, just 5 minutes.
But 5 minutes repeated every day becomes hours. Hours become weeks. Weeks become years.
If you waste even 1 hour a day, that's 365 hours in 1 year.
Imagine what you could build in 365 focused hours.
You could improve your English dramatically, learn a new skill, improve your health, start a side project.
Distraction feels small, but it compounds.
Let's talk about comfort.
Comfort feels good in the moment.
But growth usually feels uncomfortable.
Studying when you're tired feels uncomfortable. Exercising feels uncomfortable. Having honest conversations feels uncomfortable.
But comfort without growth leads to regret.
Regret is often connected to time we didn't use wisely.
So how do we stop wasting time?
First, we need clarity.
Clarity about what?
Clarity about what matters to you, your values, your goals, your priorities.
Without clarity, everything looks equal.
And when everything feels equal, you choose whatever is easiest.
So step 1 is knowing what matters.
Yes, ask yourself, what kind of person do I want to become?
Do I want to become healthier, more confident, more knowledgeable, more connected to people?
Your answer guides how you use your time.
Step 2 is designing your days.
Don't wake up and let the day decide for you.
Decide in advance what matters today.
Even writing down 3 important tasks can change your focus.
Because when you don't choose your priorities, distractions will choose them for you.
Step 3 is protecting your focus.
Turn off unnecessary notifications.
Turn off notifications.
Create phone-free time.
Give your full attention to one task at a time.
Focus is rare, and because it's rare, it's powerful.
Step 4 is starting before you feel ready.
Waiting for the perfect moment is one of the biggest time traps.
There is no perfect moment.
There is only now.
Step 5 is investing in relationships.
At the end of your life, you will not regret working 1 extra hour.
But you might regret missing important moments with people you love.
Being present with family and friends is not wasted time.
It is meaningful time.
Step 6 is taking care of your body and mind.
If you are constantly tired, stressed, and unhealthy, you won't use your time well.
Sleep enough, move your body, eat nourishing food.
And manage your mental health.
Step 7 is continuous learning.
Learning keeps your brain alive. It keeps you curious. It keeps life interesting.
And if you're listening right now, you're already investing in learning.
That means you are not wasting this moment.
Let's talk about something important.
What is it?
Forgiveness.
Yes.
If you have wasted time in the past, don't waste more time feeling guilty about it.
You can't change yesterday.
But you can change today.
And today is enough.
Small improvements each day create massive changes over years.
If you improve just 1% each day, your life will look completely different in 5 years.
Time multiplies habits.
Good habits compound, so do bad habits.
So choose carefully.
Before we finish, let's give practical actions.
Action 1. Identify one major distraction in your life and reduce it this week.
Action 2, spend 30 minutes focused each day on something meaningful.
Action 3. Reach out to someone you care about.
Action 4, go to bed earlier tonight.
Action 5. Start something you've been postponing.
Not perfectly, just start.
Because time is not something you have, it's something you are living.
Every minute that passes is part of your life, completed.
So don't just spend time.
Invest it.
One day your time will run out.
And when that day comes, you want to say, I used my time well.
This was SimpleSpeak English.
Thank you for investing this time in yourself.
If this episode helped you, share it with someone who might need this reminder.
And tell us in the comments, what is one way you will use your time better this week?
Your journey continues.
Don't waste your time.
Because your time
Is your life.
See you in the next episode.
Keep learning, keep growing, keep living intentionally.